In this example, we're going to factor a polynomial by grouping. By grouping, we're going to split this polynomial in half, and we're going to look at the first group. We're going to factor out the greatest common factor from that first group. The greatest common factor is x squared. Remember that the greatest common factor when you're dealing with variables is the variable with the smallest exponent. Since we're dealing with 6 or 2, the smallest is x squared. That means that we have 6 x's here, 2 x's there. The most x's that we can pull out of both of those is 2. When we pull out 2 x's from our first term, we're left with 4 x's here. When we pull out 2 x's from this term, we pull all of the x's out, meaning there's just a 1 there left. Now let's look at our second group. Notice that these two have nothing in common, meaning they don't have a greatest common factor other than 1. So therefore, we're just going to pull out a positive 1 here. And basically, when you pull out the 1, it doesn't change anything. You're just showing that you're pulling out a 1. Now let's write what we have in parentheses. And then I like to cross these out so I can clearly see what's left. What's left is x squared plus 1. I can always check this by foiling first, outer, inner, last. Since when I use FOIL, I get my original problem, my answer checks out. So my answer again is x to the 4th plus 1 times x squared plus 1.